Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the material on there. You got a chance to check it out. I hope you liked it. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Today, I'm gonna do a short video on something that I think is very important that I've used. And I'm sure that everybody else there has got this situation. Let's say you're working on an item that every time you work on it or something changes, somebody in management wants to see it. So how do you guarantee that that spreadsheet, every time you work on it and you finish it, it's gonna, that thing is done. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. So let's say we finish with this spreadsheet and we close it, and then we get this dialog box. The spreadsheet is attached. All you have to do now is put the to CC, the subject, and you write whatever email you want there, and you just send it away. I'm not gonna send it. I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you how to write this. So let me just call that spreadsheet up, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's a short short subroutine. And we're gonna start with the name, sub, my emailer. I want to give space there because I don't want to confuse with the other subroutine that's in there. And we're gonna declare some items. So dim email app as object. This is gonna be an object you're working with the email. Dim email item as object. And these are names that you can use. You can give any name you want. And we're gonna do a little note, create and send email automatically. Okay. So we're gonna set email app equal to create object Outlook dot application set email item equal email app dot create item email item display. You want the dialog box to come up. Email attachments. We're adding active workbook dot full name. Intelligence is bringing it up for you, and we're gonna say set email app equals nothing, and then set email item equals nothing. Well, that's not gonna work. Nothing. And before we finish this, I'm going to show you that this is a click event. So it's over here. It's this one. You click down on the workbook, and then you get a whole list of click events that you want. And the one that you want is called before close. That means that when you close, before it closes, you're calling this. This is the subroutine we just did right here. And that is gonna call it. So wait a minute, we're missing something. Oh, okay. Display. And we're gonna email item, forgot, most important thing. 2 equals your email. Your email. This item here is who you're, it's gonna ask you. You can make that as a dynamic on a spreadsheet, or you can hard code it into the subroutine. And this is the email that it's gonna go to. So when you, all right, so now everything is set. We're gonna close it. And there it is, your email. That's the email that you would send it to. And here you would go ahead and write everything and all that. So I'm not gonna send that because that's not, so I'm gonna say, yeah. Save and close, and that's it. So if you find this interesting, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. And I'll be doing more videos in the future. Thank you for coming back.